Hi there, I'm Ann Milano, Associate Broker with House America Group and Keller Williams, and welcome to 840 Clifford Way, Marietta, Georgia. Let's take a look inside.
Welcome to Pace's Farm, a swim and tennis community located in West Cobb County, a suburb of Marietta. 840 Clifford Way is an elegantly built three-sided brick home built by Trayton Homes and on the perfect cul-de-sac lot. As you enter the two-story entry foyer, you are met by the gleaming hardwood floors and wrought iron staircase. To the right, you will find the gentleman's study with French doors and perfect for those quiet online business meetings. To the left of the foyer is the banquet-sized formal dining room with tray ceiling where you can enjoy your large family gatherings. Directly ahead, you will find the bright formal living room with coffered ceiling, built-in bookcases, and an inviting stacked stone fireplace. Enter the chef's kitchen with granite countertops and tile backsplash, a double oven, drop-in gas stove, and stainless steel appliances. Enjoy your morning coffee at the breakfast bar or at the breakfast area overlooking your vaulted keeping room with stacked stone fireplace that leads out to a fabulous deck, perfect for weekend barbecues. Also on the main level, let's head to the guest suite with full bathroom with granite countertops and tile floor. Let's head upstairs where we find the enormous master suite. Escape to the master bath and enjoy some bubbles in the jacuzzi tub or take a hot steam in the shower. The double vanity with granite countertops has a vanity area, perfect for putting on your makeup. Our first of 3 secondary bedrooms is good-sized, with its own bath and walk-in closet. The 4th and 5th bedrooms share the Jack and Jill bath. The bonus on this level could be your kids' playroom, perfect for entertaining some friends. Now let's head to the full finished terrace level. Here you will find the bright and light 6th bedroom, finished with a bathroom and granite countertops. There is a tiled room that can easily be made into a bar area or full kitchen. The main part is a large open area that could be a rec room or game room. The media room is wired for surround sound and just waiting for you to watch your favorite movies. Lastly, we have the exercise room that opens to the large patio area, an amazing, perfectly flat and completely private backyard where enjoying an evening under the stars is the perfect end to those long work days. With easy access to shopping at Publix, Target, or a quick cup of coffee at Starbucks, 840 Clifford Way is the perfect place to call home. Contact Associate Broker Ann Milano at 404-966-3980 for more information about this exquisite find.